Welcome. In this section, we are setting up our development environment using Visual Studio Code and running our first JavaScript file using built-in terminal. Let's start by downloading and installing VS Code from their official website. You can type code.visualstudio.com and hit enter. And now you can download the VS Code according to your operating system. For me, it's Windows, right? Secondly, now VS Code is a super popular code editor and perfect for beginners. Next, install Node.js from nodejs.org. Node.js is really important because it lets us run JavaScript outside the browser. So after installing, open VS Code. I have it open, and now you can create a folder in your desktop and you can select that folder using open folder, and I have created JavaScript folder. Then you can select that folder, and as you can see I had already selected it. Now to open the VS terminal, you can click any of these three options. So if I click this option, and now to run our JS programs or JavaScript programs smoothly, we need to ensure that we have Node.js working in our terminal. So to check if Node is installed correctly, we can type node-v. So as you can see a version number, this means that Node is installed correctly. Now we can clear the terminal, and now we can create our first file named hello world, as you know. So these are commands which usually gets ignored by the compiler. So writing the first JavaScript program console.log hello world. As you can see that you have created your first own JavaScript file, and to run this in your VS terminal, you can write node and the file name and make sure you are currently in the same directory. So node hello world.js. When you hit enter, the file runs. As you can see, the console.log mainly displays the message on the terminal as it's the console, so it logs our message hello world. So yeah, another example can be const name, and similarly if we run this program, our JS files are executing and getting compiled. So if you can see the message, our setup is ready and you are officially in the game. So in the next video, we will be talking about JS variables and modern JavaScript variables like let and const, and why should you not use var in modern JS. Thank you.